main concern are those who are isolated, whose houses have been damaged. I think we have 6 totally damaged houses and others partially. So that's our our most urgent purpose now is to deliver our relief packs. And to do that, syempre kailangan po natin yung infra. So we'll focus on the delivery first of the relief packs, and then clearing our roads, and then finally will be our agri efforts. And simultaneously, we also need to deliver the necessary medicine to not just our kailian, but pati rin sa mga livestock. We've suffered great losses of livestock, especially in Bintar. Very appalling amounts. Katext ko po si Mayor, and even she said she was stunned at the amount. And mostly due to the animals being so close to the river. So after our relief and recovery efforts, we have to really evaluate now and see what kind of improvements need to be made, not just for our livestock, but of course the flooding that happened here in Lawag. People say it hasn't flooded like this in decades, no? Yung iba up to chest height, 4 feet. So I think it has something to do also with our waste management now, which is something that we've been harping on for how many weeks. So I hope that finally, especially here in Metro Ilocos, our waste management can be rectified, and we can avoid these types of floods, very deadly floods. No.
Kailan magamit yung calamity fund, sir?
Yeah, well, we're already in the process naman. We have a lot of, thankfully we have enough food packs. We have enough material. We're getting a lot of assistance also. In fact, habang ang lista ko, I'd like to thank all of the, well, firstly, of course, everyone here at the PGIN, led by Marcel of the Provincial Disaster Risk and Reduction Management Office, and all of our department heads. May WhatsApp group po kami, and it's been very busy with everyone updating. So all of our department heads, of course, we have Ma'am Lillian from the PSWDO, and everyone at the PGIN. So I'd like to thank all of them. Several NGAs have also assisted na gusto ko lang magpasalamat. We have Pag-asa, the DA, DSWD, OCD, DOH, and of course INEC and INWAD. I just got an update from INEC regarding our electricity. They're now focusing on Zone 6, which is San Nicolas and Lawag, south of the river. As of noon daw, they're at 40% electrification. Zone 1 and 3 are connected, not a problem. Zones 2, 4, and 5 are hoping to be connected this evening. So sana by today, most of our houses and different areas will be connected to electricity already. In terms of water, I'm aware that Pasukin has no water, and other parts are also partially without water. So we're in touch with INWAD. We're actually going to supply them with equipment that they need. And we'd like to thank all of the contractors who have donated equipment. Siguro nakita niyo po sa labas. But we've also instructed them to leave their equipment where they are, para if ever baka mas malapit na sila sa site for efficiency. So DPWH has also assisted. I think nandito po sila kanina. They in fact were the ones who contacted all the contractors. So we'd like to thank them. Of course, PD Pasiwen has looks even more tired than me, or more tired than all of us. So we'd like to thank PD Pasiwen, everyone at the PNP, AFP, BFP, Air Force, Coast Guard, and Maritime Command. So it's really been a team effort, and I'd like to thank everyone who has played a part, not just those who I've mentioned, but everyone. Siguro yung mga unsung heroes. I'm sure there were lots of deeds of heroism that need to be thanked and recognized. And we at the provincial government will continue to do our part.
Sa national government, so meron bang assistance?
National government agencies naman, the ones that I've mentioned. The DA specifically has also lent or guaranteed 3-year loan, no, for 25K for our farmers at zero interest. So we thank them for that. We also have stats on the water level, no, yung amount of rainfall. So monthly, we have roughly 580, no, average 580. On Friday, August 23, we had 480 almost. So we had close to a month's worth of rain in one day. So given we should have been better prepared in terms of our infrastructure, but the amount of rain also that we received was tremendous, and maybe an amount that was insurmountable.
So do you have a plan to have an ocular inspection for today?
Yeah, later today I'll be going around the key areas and evaluating the damage.